To use Lyft delivery, start by opening the Lyft app and tapping on the Delivery tab. Here you can select from a variety of restaurants and stores that offer delivery through Lyft. Browse the options and choose the one you would like to order from. Then view their menu and select the items you would like to purchase. Once you have selected your items, review your order to ensure everything is correct. Then proceed to checkout. At checkout, you will be prompted to enter your delivery address and select a preferred delivery time. Make sure to enter your address accurately to ensure your order is delivered to the correct location. After entering your address and selecting a delivery time, you will be asked to review and confirm your order. This is your last chance to make any changes before your order is placed. Once you confirm your order, it will be sent to the restaurant or store for preparation and a Lyft driver will be assigned to pick it up and deliver it to you. You can track the status of your order in the app, from preparation to pickup and delivery. When the driver arrives with your order, you will receive a notification and can meet them at the door to receive your delivery. If you have any issues with your order, you can contact Lyft support through the app for assistance. To get the most out of Lyft delivery, consider using it during off-peak hours to avoid high demand prices and delays. You can also use the app to schedule deliveries in advance, which can be helpful for planning meals or ordering groceries. Additionally, be sure to tip your driver for good service, as this helps to support the drivers who are working hard to bring you your orders. By following these steps and tips, you can easily use Lyft delivery to get the food and items you need delivered right to your door. Whether you are looking for a convenient way to order dinner or need to have groceries delivered, Lyft delivery is a great option to consider.